Good morning everyone, myself Muskan. I am a student of BSc Chemistry Honours first year. Cycloalkanes. Introduction. The cyclic hydrocarbons having C single bonds and have general formula CnH2n are called cycloalkanes. They are also called polymethylines due to the presence of methylene group CH2 group in their skeleton. The cycloalkanes come under the category of aliphatic cyclic compounds, that is alicyclic compounds. These are so called because they possess cyclic structures and shows resemblance with aliphatic compounds in most of their properties. They are also called carbocyclic compounds because their ring skeleton has only carbon atom. Nomenclature of cycloalkanes. Common name. The name of any saturated alicyclic hydrocarbon is written by attaching the prefix tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. to the word methylene according as the number to carbon atoms in the ring, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. respectively. IUPAC name. The IUPAC name of the organic compound contains the following parts. The complete IUPAC name is written as second prefix plus secondary prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus no secondary suffix. Rules for the IUPAC naming for alicyclic compound. Number 1. Add prefix cyclo to the name of corresponding straight chain hydrocarbon. Number 2. The position of the substituent present in the ring are indicated by the Arabic numerals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. During numbering, the lowest number is given to that substituent whose prefix comes first in the aliphatic order, provided that it does not violate the lowest rule. थर्ड का ए पार्ट है. If the ring contains more or equal number of carbon atoms than in the substituent attached the ring, then the compound is named as a derivative of the cycloalkane. B part है इसका. If the substituent attached to the ring contains the more number of carbon atoms than in the ring, then the compound is named as a derivation of the substituent. C part है. If, however, more than one alicyclic ring is attached to a single chain, then the compound is named as a derivative of alkane, irrespective of the number of carbon atom in the ring or the chain. D part है. If the substituent या side chain attached to the ring contain the multiple bond or the functional group, then the compound is named as a derivative of substituent, irrespective of the size of the ring.